righty, guys. Happy Friday. Hope you're all doing well out there. It's about 12 p.m. on the East Coast right now, and Sofi is up over 1.2%, right at $10 per share. And guys, we have to break it down, go over the charts, my thoughts, and of course, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks for a moo. Listen to this, guys. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks plus that $30 cash reward. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's unheard of. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo if you want to sign up for a very strong brokerage, get a bunch of free money, and of course, it helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So it's about noon on the East Coast, like I said, guys, and SoFi is up over 1.2%. It's at about $10 per share. And earlier in the day, we broke out at open and we got all the way up to $10.10 per share. You guys see that right here. We opened up, saw a bit of choppiness for the first 5 minutes, but then we shot all the way up to $10.10, which is actually the high from the pre-market yesterday. If I draw this line out, you guys can see we hit 10.10 yesterday morning. Then we dumped to about 960, so we did sell off a good chunk, about 4.5% to 5%. Then we rallied into close yesterday, closing at about 985, 990. And again, here we are, pushing $10, trying to get back over the highs from yesterday. So that is the big resistance right now. We're up around 1.3%. We're looking pretty decent, but we have to get out of yesterday's high for this to really start building up momentum again in the right direction, which obviously the bulls would love to see that happen. So in the short term, guys, we are looking pretty good. The fact that we did not take out the lows from yesterday, that's a good sign. Yesterday, like I said, we hit $9.60, and the day before that, we were at about $9.90 on the low. Day before that, we were at about $10.08, $10.10. So the fact that we are not taking out the lows from yesterday, that's a sign that, well, the downtrend as of now is not continuing. And if we take out the high from the pre-market yesterday being 10.10, oh man, the downtrend will definitely not be continuing at that point. As from there, we could start breaking out maybe back towards the recent highs here, which we hit $10.30. It looks like here on, when was this? The 16th, so 2 days ago. That was on Wednesday. We hit 10:30 in the morning. And then obviously on Tuesday, we hit $10.50. So this could really start building up momentum if we take out 10.10. Again, then we could fill the gap to 10.30, maybe 10.50 after that, and so on, right? So SoFi looks pretty good today. Solid Friday so far, up almost 1.5% now, up 14 cents, trading at about $10 and a penny right now, guys. So, yeah, watch out for that direction. I'll set my alert right now. I'll do one at $10.10. Give me a second here, guys. By the way, hit that like button, run those likes up, make sure to subscribe. I think we're almost now at 41,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all for tuning in. As always, we're on the road to 50,000 subscribers. Thanks for all the support, guys. So I put one at $10.10, and I'll do another one. Mark is at or below maybe $9.80. Let's do that now. Mark is at or below $9.80, and we'll see what direction this thing ends up picking, right? Of course, we know on the larger time frames, we've been breaking out of resistances and filling a bunch of gaps here from 850 to 915 to 945. We've covered all these all the way up to 1050, guys. We even filled the gap all the way to 1050 very quickly. Now, the next one is at 1175, which we've covered before on the channel. That was the high from the end of July of 2023. That's where we could be going potentially at some point, once we do get through 1050 again, $10.10 again. These are some big spots in the short term, but if we're able to get out of there, the next gap to fill is up to 1175, which we haven't been at that point in over a year at this point. So, yeah, guys, SoFi looking pretty good on this Friday. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm curious where your head's at there. And, yeah, that's what we're looking at, man. Not too bad, and a very good week overall for SoFi. Starting off on Monday with a very big move from $9.15 all the way to over $10. And I guess you can say, I would consider this a consolidation week, right? We had a big move Monday. We had another nice move Tuesday, but then we pulled back, and we've kind of just been holding $10, $10.15 for the week, right? That's kind of on average where we've been at. So let's see, guys, how SoFi closes today, how it goes into next week. I'm very excited about it, and obviously I'm long. I own the stock. I'm in at $9, or not $9, $6. I don't know why I said $9, $6.80. You guys know that. I've said that many times here on the channel. So, yeah, man, this is all happening in the midst of a pretty all over the place type day for the stock market, where the NASDAQ is moving up 0.6%. Pretty good day so far for Triple Q. We're right back to 495, which is a big resistance here. We failed there end of September, and we've been struggling there at 495 for the last couple of weeks here, all of October pretty much. So if Triple Q can break over 495, $500, we could really start moving back to all-time highs on this thing. So I'll put my alert at $500 for now. Mark is at or above. It looks like SPY is pushing again today, guys. Looks like we're up about 0.25%. Yesterday we hit all-time highs. I know it's crazy, but that's what we did. Another all-time high was hit yesterday at 586.30, and now SPY is at 584 pretty much. Who knows? If we get hot later in the day, maybe we hit another all-time high even today. It's possible. Totally possible. And the Dow Jones, you guys probably know already, or also rather, hit an all-time high. That was yesterday, I believe. We hit 43,289, guys, which is unbelievable. How often the Dow and the S&P recently have been hitting all-time highs. It's remarkable. And the Russell is getting very close to a full-on breakout. 2,300 points is where my alert's at. That level needs to break. That's where the Russell was in the beginning of August. That needs to break, and if it does, guys, we could be going for all-time highs on the small cap index. What do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and check out the email list. It's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. Just check out the link in the description box. Put your first name and your email address. No spam, no BS. Again, it's free. Check it out, guys. And shout out to everybody that's been joining the Patreon, where I'm building my private portfolio. You guys get to see all the moves in that every week. I'm putting in fresh money, buying stocks. There's also a Discord chat. You get more access to me throughout the day. And, of course, my posts, my charts, my ideas, all of that good stuff is on Patreon, guys. Check out the link down below in the comment section, or go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the inside. Peace out.